everyone, this is the first upload from the Adobo series. So starting today, I'll be doing some series of videos. We'll begin the series with Adobong Puti. Before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside it. Let's start. I have some garlic here and a red onion. I'll peel the garlic and roughly chop. For the red onion, I'll do the same. Now I have your pork belly, or what we call liempo. I'll slice this into cubes. The size will depend on you. Pero keep in mind that pag mas maliit, mas mabilis maluto. When you're done slicing and dicing, prepare your oil for frying, your peppercorns, your bay leaves, white pepper, pandan leaves, and water. And the most important ingredient is the coconut sap nectar vinegar, or what we call Sukang Tuba. This will give our Adobong Puti a really nice vinegar flavor. Etong white pepper sa huli pa natin kailangan kasi if we add this early in the cooking process, it will lose some of its aroma. Everything is set, we'll start cooking. Now, saute ko na yung onions. Half ng garlic. Then, isasabay ko yung peppercorns. Linagay ko na rin yung peppercorns para mag-infuse ng konti sa oil. Now, ilalagay ko na yung liempo. Season with salt, not too much kasi kung kulang pa ng alat, pwede naman ihabol sa dulo. Toss this a bit para humalo yung garlic and onions sa pork. Then I'll pour the sukang tuba. A bit of water para hindi matuyo agad. The bay leaves and the pandan. Bring this to a simmer and do not cover. We'll let this simmer until mag-dry na yung vinegar and yung water. Tapos what will happen is, mag-render yung fat, magmamantika, and mapiprito yung pork sa sarili niyang fat. But before ma-fry, and bago matuyo totally, we'll remove the pandan. This can take some time, but it's gonna be worth it. Nagsisimula na mag-render yung fat ng liempo. Sa top, mapapansin nyo puro mantika na. Pero sa bottom, masabaw pa rin. We'll still cook this until mag-dry. This is almost dry, pero it will take a few more minutes kasi may konti pong liquid. I'll get a piece to see if it's tender. So yan. Nag-start na siya madurog, so very tender na. I'll give it a try. sobrang lambot. Tinanggal ko na yung pandan. It's now dry and it's almost starting to fry in its own fat. At this stage, natuyo na yung sabaw kaya I'll add the remaining garlic and the white pepper. Tinakasan ko na ng konti yung apoy para mas mabilis maprito yung pork. I'll fry this until it's slightly brown for added flavor, pero not too much para hindi tumigas yung laman. Panipas ang higit sa 1 oras. It's now ready. Yesterday, I made garlic chips. Garlic lang to na pinrito until maging crispy. Just fry slices of garlic on low heat until maging medyo brown. And I also have fried basil. This is fresh basil leaves na prinito for a few seconds. Around 10 to 15 seconds. I'll use both of this as garnish. There. Yung ginamit ko dito, coconut sap vinegar or sukang tuba. It gives it a really nice, authentic Filipino flavor. Kung wala kayo nun, pwede kayo mag-substitute ng white vinegar or cane vinegar. Pero, if you can buy that, I prefer the sukang tuba. That's it for the Adobong Puti, the first recipe of the Adobo series. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell beside it. I'll see you in the next video.